Here we've got this magnificent frosted pewter Phase 3 GT-HO. It really is a dream machine. We're just getting ready to photograph it in the facility at Sydney. This is one of 5 built in frosted pewter. And listen to this beautiful Phase 3 verbal. Look how stunning that car is. Original number plates on this car. Dealer sticker, Mortimer Ford on the back window. Originally sold out of Robinvale to an owner in Robinvale from Mildura. And it's got logbooks and look at that, beautiful. Optioned with 8-track. Look at that. GT-HO Phase 3. What do you reckon? Good? It's an exciting machine, always wonderful for us to actually enjoy looking at these great cars and driving these great cars. A real privilege. Got a beautiful XR GT here that we've just sold, and that's going to be heading off to its new owner. And here we go back to the Phase 3. Look inside. This car was optioned from new with the long shaft top loader, 31 spline diff, dual mirror, 8-track, all factory options, and just over 109,000 miles. And this is a really very good documented, fully documented car. Look how cool this frosted pewter with the orange stripes looks. Just incredible, doesn't it? And I love how it's got the original number plate still with it. Anyway, we'll photograph this car now, and we'll pop it on the site. And if you're interested in finding out any more about the car, please call Mike Selby, Australian Muscle Car Sales, 0414 278 604. And thank you for watching.